In the US cash session analysis, did not I tell you 3800 and 11840 800 levels? See, precisely both have achieved these levels. Now, what should be our stance till I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day with Nasdaq 100. Look at the hourly charts here on Nasdaq 100. Certainly it is the bearishness has diminished and certainly it has taken a support from 11,830 and trying to reverse. The next resistance zone is at 11,860. So yes, you can buy if you see it trading above 11,860, and yes, rather I will say 11,870. So if you see it trading above 11,870, expect 11,920, and then beyond that you can see it rising for 11,970 levels. Only bullishness confirmation is if it trades above 12,000. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading bearish with little divergence here. The RSI is oversold too, indicating bearishness. Now look at the 2 hour charts. Look at the 2 hour charts. 4 red candles, bearishness, and then now if you connect the dots here, look at the previous candles here. It is trying to trade within this channel. And yes, the high is there now for the day, or the resistance level for the day remains at 12,000 levels. Be cautious of it. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is oversold on the 2 hour charts, indicating that it has seen the oversold zone. Possibility of a reversal exists. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, a sharp rise or rally. This was sharp drop from here, and now it has tried to retrace, and again the drops. Now look at the move size here, 12,000 to almost 12,800. So that is 800 points. Then from 1200 to 11,800, that is almost 400 points. So yes, if it tries to drop or rise from here till towards 11,900, 970, you can again expect it to drop further. Then you can in fact expect that we may see it hitting 11,650 levels. Directional movement bearish, as it is still divergent. Stochastic has come back to the oversold zone. MACD is again divergent and it is bearish here. Mark this fact, it is divergent still and it is strongly bearish still. RSI has come back to the oversold levels. Now look at the 4 hour charts. See the bearishness increase. We have seen a sharp red candle, a retracement candle, and now again a red candle. Now here it is trying to get the support on the downside from 11,830, 11,820 levels. Possibility of it for it to give you another red candle exists. The only reversal confirmation is if it trades past 11,950 and 12,000 levels. Beyond that, still it may get the resistance at 12,040 and 12,100. Directional movement is extremely bearish and divergent. And if you look at the stochastic, this is also oversold. Possibility of it to bounce back exists. The MACD trading with a little divergence and parallel, and RSI is trading oversold. Considering this, yes, you can go long at 11,870, but then 11,920 as the resistance, 11,970 as the resistance, and then 12,000. Yes, if it trades beyond 12,000, there could be a little bullishness, might take it till towards 12,040, very strong resistance, 12,100, the next strongest resistance. Beyond 12,100, it will fly high, and then you can expect it to achieve 12,300 levels. On the downside, if you see it trading, see this is the first red candle, you can expect a second red candle which might take it till towards 11,750 and below levels. So go short here at 11,800, and then you can expect that below 11,800 you may see it dropping further till towards 11,760, 11,720 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss trade with a trailing stop loss. Also, let's have a look at the daily charts. What does the daily chart suggest? Now, see, yes, the bearishness has diminished here, red candle, but remember after this red yesterday's candle, day before, you can see there was a greener candle, and this has come out of the support zone. So this is a breakout candle. Now this candle may in fact be larger than the previous candle. Hence be careful of 11,800. Below that, certainly it will call for the further bearishness. You may see 11,720 and then 11,650, 600 levels. Take your positions accordingly and take the trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss on the upside and downside both. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries, right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. Enroll for it now. Only limited seats are available. These are 15 precious days, 90 minutes daily live webinars. And yes, there is a technical support for you available till next 3 months, where you can ask any of your queries any point of time, whether be it related to trades or the analysis. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, my Telegram channel ID is also there. Also, you can join my signals group, and you can, if not, you can support the effort by becoming a Patreon. The $7 per month contribution hardly means to you anything, but it is a great motivation for me. Become a Patreon. The support link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones on the hourly charts, see, the bearishness has definitely diminished. Look at the candle size there. Now it is trying to consolidate a bit here in this, between this zone, and trying to identify which direction to take. Beyond 3850, definitely the next resistance is 3900, which is a very strong resistance, and then 31,000. If these two levels are taken, you can certainly remain bullish for 31,100, 31,200 levels. Beyond that, it will fly high. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic is trading oversold. Probability of a bounce back exists. The MACD trading with little divergence and it is still bearish. The RSI is trading near to bottom, indicating bearishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see, the bearishness has diminished. Look at the previous candle. This is kind of a reversal candle, it appears. Till the time it trades above 3750, you may probably expect it to rise. But see, lower highs, higher lows. So do not trade between 3850 and 3750. Let it decide a little. On the upside, in fact, if it tries to trade above 3850, the stronger resistance is going to be 31,200 levels. Directional movement is bearish and divergent. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over, and this is second red candle, and we may see third and fourth red candles too, till the time it does not converge and crosses over for a bullish move. Because see, it is trading with very little divergence, and hence making me little bit cautious. RSI is trading oversold. And on the 3-hour charts, look at this breakout, after that consolidation and then a breakout. But the move is not that much. In fact, it is not even 20% or 30% of the previous move. So, and also look at this candle. This candle is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and it is trying to trade with very little body. If you see it trading above 3850, again possibility for it to rise for 31,000 exists, and in fact it can try to rise for 31,200. Remember, 31,200 stood as a wall. Now it is again going to be the strongest resistance on the upside. Below 3750, you can expect that we may see it dropping hard, and then 3680, 3600 levels will be seen, and then below that you can see 3500, 3400. The 3400 is the next stronger support zone. So this is what we can see. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards, entering into oversold zone. The MACD is again diverging and bearish. RSI is already trading oversold. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, it has formed a rhythm after consolidating candles. This is a breakout candle, and now it is trying to take a shape for the next candle. Once it trades below 3750, expect that it may give you further large candle. 3500 levels are possible. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and it is still bearish, and RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See the move there, almost 20% of the day before candle, where day before to previous candle, you can see the movement there was not much, and we have seen a very smaller body configuration. Now definitely the resistance at 31,200 is strong, and it is trying to trade with that as resistance. 31,200 to 80 levels. In between that zone, that definitely there is a stronger resistance, but at the same time on the downside, be careful of 3700. Below that you can expect, because see, this is first red candle after this slighter greener candle, and this time the candle size may increase. So yes, yesterday it was a 400 points. Today we may see 500 550 points. If it continues to trade below 3700, you can certainly expect that 3500 is it is inside, and it is definitely achieved, and in fact below that it may try to hit 3400 and below levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Go short below 3750, go long or buy Dow Jones above 3850. Till 31,000 and 31,050 levels, it is going to have stronger resistance. It can reverse any point of time. On the downside, yes, 3700 is a level which you should watch out for. Below 3700, you may see a good drop for 3500 400 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.